Hey, what's happening, Sneaky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Already know in the year 202, you know how we do. Going to smash thumbs up.
Hey, the year of Kobe. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The year of Kobe.
So what we got today? That what? That
Weekly.
weekly heat, baby.
Yes, sir. The weekly heat.
Weekly Heat. All right, starting off, we only have one shoe this week for the Weekly Heat on the January the 20th. This shoe is coming out in full family sizes. This is the Air Jordan 2. Calling this the Python. It's predominantly white on the side. It does have that Python in gray. And the midsole does come in that sail midsole. We look around to the back. It does feature that black on the back with Nike in red. I do think that's a good touch in my opinion. Moving around to the bottom, we do have the standard Air Jordan 2. It's black and gray with the white sail popping out with the Nike logo. This is a very clean shoe in my opinion. I am rocking these. The retail price of these will be $175. Again, will be released in full family sizes. GS pairs will be coming out at a price of $140. And we also have the little kids at $85. And then we have the toddlers and infants for $65. So if this is a shoe that you and your family wants to rock together, this will be the perfect shoe for y'all. Again, this is the Air Jordan 2 Python. Let me know in the comments, Nick Heads, are you rocking these or dropping these? However, we know that the Jordan 2s don't do well. I do think that this is a clean colorway, in my opinion. I'm rocking these. How about you, my brother?
Twos, it seemed to have been growing on me. It looked like a clean shoe.
Yes, sir.
I'm all about what outfits I can wear with my J's. So hey, I'm rocking those, my brother. I'll be rocking those.
Colorway. If you like these twos, go and snatch them up, sneaker heads.
But overall, this is a clean shoe. Hey, as y'all know, hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. Yes, sir. Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.
Peace.